Hey you guys, what is up? My name is Andrea and welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. So just a little bit of a heads up, the shop is restocked as we speak. So if you guys want to shop the video, go to peachybbies.com and you guys can buy any of the slimes that I'm talking about here. Remember to order by Friday because that is the latest that we can guarantee that your shipment is to your house in time for the holidays. So I wanted you guys to know that. I'm really excited about this restock. There's a ton of winter slime, some slimes you guys wanted me to bring back, as well as something that I'm really excited to introduce to you guys. It's like a little bit of a new collection that I've been working on. You guys are seeing a little bit of a preview of what's in the restock flashing while I'm talking to you guys. So that is what we're gonna look at today. I hope you guys are excited because I'm pretty excited about this one. Let's get on with the video. So first of all, we have Fairy Light Crisp. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, after this one is mixed up, first of all, it is breathtaking. It's so pretty. I love this slime to death. Let me know your opinions, but I feel like it definitely looks more like a geode, so I might change the name on this one. Still unsure. Let me know down in the comments if you think it's a good idea. This one is a super glitter packed clear kind of blue tinted base. My idea was to make it look like a diamond, so we wanted to add all of the different glitters and all of the different pigments into the base. The base on its own, you guys are gonna see in a second, stands alone. It is super, super pretty. I love it so, so, so much. Then we're adding a bunch of different Bingsu colors to it, and voila. We have Peachybbies' very first Bingsu Slime Fairy Light Crisp. So this one is unscented for clarity, just because I really wanted to make sure that all of the pigment and all of the glitters were standing out in this one. But it is the prettiest slime you will ever see, plus like a classic Bingsu. It's super, super crunchy, super inflating, and really, really fun to play with, especially if you love sizzles in your slimes. Then we have something that I've been working on forever. So I was really, really inspired by all of these designer cotton candy stores that I've been seeing recently. And you guys know that cotton candy is one of my favorite scents. I really, really wanted to do something that were all cotton candy inspired, and to make them truly classic and iconic cotton candies, we had to make them in a drizzly cloud texture. So you guys know I typically only make cloud creams. I don't really do a lot of cloud slimes, but I really love them and I really wanted to bring some to the shop. So this line is going to be all drizzly clouds. I'm super hyped about it. This is classic cotton candy, so this is like the classic pink and blue, super yummy cotton candy scented cloud slime, super drizzly, and it mixes into a really, really pretty and relaxing purpley lavender color. Next, we have Candy Cane Fudge. So this one I love so much. So all the marshmallows you guys are seeing, I handmade those, and you guys are going to get a little container. You'll see at the end of this clip a little container of marshmallows you guys get to sprinkle in yourself. So we have the big marshmallows, then tiny little mini marshmallows. They're so cute. And then we have some little peppermint sprinkles and some little crushed peppermint sprinkles just to make it look cute and festive. So we totally need to talk about the base here because it is so thick and creamy. It's scented like a dark chocolate candy cane kind of thing. So it's very similar to a white chocolate peppermint bark scent. And then it's super thick and super holdable. This is an amazing slime to keep at your bedside. I hold this one while I'm like trying to focus on stuff. So it's kind of that vibe. It's definitely a more holdable slime, but it also inflates a ton. So I definitely recommend you checking out this winter slime. Next, we have a little clip of Cake Batter Swirl. So Cake Batter Swirl is not actually a new slime. I typically only show new slimes in my restock videos. However, I wanted to let you guys know I did take the pink and blue swirl out of the base. And when you guys order these, they're going to come in their own little DIY packets. You get a pink one and a blue one so you guys can swirl the cake batter yourselves. I feel like this is just a lot more aesthetic, and that way you guys can be interactive with it, and that way they don't mix in shipping. So I wanted to put this in there. Heads up. You get a pink and a blue frosting packet, and it's just super fun. It's a fun little thing I wanted to let you guys know what was going on with. I've been seeing a lot of people do these really satisfying packing videos, so I wanted to try one myself. Let me know how I did. Rate me below. Is this satisfying to you? Also, I feel like I need to say something because I'm sure somebody's going to say something about the fact that my hand is blue. Yeah, I was trying to make a satisfying video and I spilled blue dye all over myself. So, since we've all saw it, everybody go down in the comments and, you know, be like, wow, I can't believe that you're turning into a Smurf, because facts. Next, we have another seasonal slime. This is Gingerbread Latte Foam. So this one's texture is super, super interesting. So it's a hybrid between a cloud cream and a butter, but I'm using a special blend of clays here, so it's super, super, super inflating. So this one's another really, really holdable, really soft, really spreadable slime, and it's just super relaxing. It almost feels like a marshmallowy kind of texture. I love it. You guys are going to be seeing another one of this texture next weekend. It's super, super creamy and so, so satisfying to play with. The scent is like a chocolate gingerbread man scent, which is so yummy, especially if you guys love cinnamony type scents. Definitely, definitely recommend. Next, we have Blueberry Bubblegum Fudge. So the scent is a really, really sweet bubblegum scent, but it has notes of white chocolate and then different berries and candy scents. It smells really, really good. I love it a lot. This one is a thick and glossy slime. So it's a little bit in between a glue wall base and a school glue base. So it's still soft enough that you can get really good clicks and thwocks with it, but it's holdable enough that you guys will be able to hold it and play with it in your hand. I wanted something that was kind of in the middle because I really love a good thick slime, but I also really, strangely enough, like school glue slimes a lot. So definitely one to check out. It also comes with these cute little Fimo toppings and some little fake blueberries to mix in. Next, we have lemon gel. So I don't have a ton of video of it here, but if you guys want to see more clips of lemon gel, definitely go to my Instagram. It's linked down below. This one is a true classic jelly texture, and it's scented like lemon starburst. So it's really, really yummy. And if you guys love jelly slimes, this is definitely one to go for. Then we have Bubbleberry Jelly again. This one's also one we're bringing back. You guys really, really loved it last week. And I couldn't resist taking more videos of it because it's so pretty. Super juicy, super soft jelly slime, scented like a really delicious strawberry bubblegum kind of scent. Super good. I took it to an event last weekend and everybody loved it. So I definitely, definitely recommend this one. And that is it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. I will see you not this Saturday, but next Saturday with another restock video. Thank you guys for watching this far. If you've watched this far in the video, comment some peach emojis and I'll comment you back. Other than that, I love you guys very much, and I'll see you next video. Bye. P.S. This is me plastic wrapping some of our containers. I was testing it out, but I thought it was really satisfying, and I thought you guys deserved to see this, so yeah.